Trader here, NOW, Service Now, one of the greatest leaders in the NASDAQ 100. This is where we featured the buy, and we did have our pullback. This is going to be the all-time high right here, and we're approaching that now. So what I do want to show you, that's the most important thing, is the $710 calls. The low was 320. The high was 1050. That was done intraday today. That is a huge gain. We bought 30 contracts and we made a lot of money. We made $7 a contract almost. So do the math. Now, you can be in these live trades. You're not in these live trades now. Join our free 5-day trial. We will provide that entry in there together, and then knowing when to sell and selling out with big moves like that and taking big profits. It's 2024. This bull is in control. Now, when I go to service now on the daily chart, which is right here, we can see right now on the daily chart how we had the big breakout when we cleared those simple moving averages. We had a daily sell signal, but we're headed toward that buy signal. So once again, knowing when to get in, knowing when to get out, the volatility is short-term trading versus 2023. Let it be known. You are not in these trades. Join us in the live trading room. You will be able to watch the entries, then the exits, and you can get paid, and you can get paid big. It costs you no money to make money here with us. And the more money that you make, we make with you. So we'll go over that in the live trading room. You owe it to yourself. Do you want to get paid? What do you want to change about your trading in 2024? All the bad habits that you've had in the past. After 35 years of experience, we are very qualified to power you, make you the trader that you want to be.